Okay, year 11, we'll have a look at an experiment to measure the speed of sound. And that's on the back bench there. It's a bit far away at the minute, but I just want you to be able to see the whole experiment. So on what we're looking at here, in the middle of the back bench is an orange box. That's an electronic stopwatch, and it is controlled by two microphones. The microphones are there to pick up the sound. On the left hand side of the picture, you can just about see there's a little black microphone. Then there's 3 meter rules going off to the right, and on the right hand side there is a second microphone. So we'll just go and take a closer look at this setup. So that is the electronic timer. That will read out in seconds. It actually reads out in milliseconds because it's a very short time we're measuring. And what starts the stopwatch going, what starts the timer, is whenever a sound hits this microphone, it will start the stopwatch. But what happens is the sound wave doesn't just disappear, it travels off along the bench, and eventually, well, it'll happen very quickly actually, it will travel and it will hit this second microphone. Now this second microphone is also connected all the way back to the electronic stopwatch, and it will stop it. So what we will have is how long it took a sound wave to get from there up to there. It's actually there's 3 meter rules there, so it's that's a distance of 3 meters. You have to make quite a loud sound, or quite a sharp sound to get this to work. The problem isn't starting the stopwatch here. The problem is making sure the sound has enough energy to travel all the way up to the other end of the bench to stop the stopwatch. So we usually do this, and we use a couple of these kilogram masses. And that type of sound is usually enough to start the stopwatch, and then at the other end stop it. And what we get at the end of the experiment is you get a readout here. Now unfortunately this was actually working just before I turned the video on, and it seems to have died, but I do have a set of results which I took earlier. So we'll show you below how we can work out the speed of sound using this.